everyone. My name is Farnaz Bayat, and I'm working at NASA Develop Program in Mobile, Alabama. And today I'm going to present you the outcome of a two-term project that was done by our program to evaluate the water quality in the Mobile Bay and Mississippi Sound by utilizing NASA Earth observation data. So Mobile Bay and Mississippi Sound, typically speaking, it provides a very suitable environment for various ecosystems. This area has recently suffered the loss of marine and coastal species due to the increased amount of hurricanes, oil spill, and urban development. This project partnered with Alabama Coastal Foundation, the Mississippi-Alabama Sea Grant Consortium, the Dauphin Island Sea Lab, as well as the Nature Conservancy. We use Aqua Modus ocean color data to evaluate the salinity and sea surface temperature changes from 2003 to 2017. In addition, we use Landsat 5 thematic mapper to evaluate the turbidity changes in the area from 2003 to 2007. And lastly, we use Landsat 8 and Sentinel-2 data to create an assessment of turbidity changes from 2007 to 2017. So these are the results for the average turbidity changes in the area. If you look at the image on the left, these are the average turbidity changes from 2003 to 2007. So the red colors indicate a positive change or increase in amount of average turbidity, and blue colors indicate a negative or a decrease in amount of turbidity in the area. So from 2003 to 2007, there is an increase in the southeast section of the Mobile Bay and Mississippi Sound. However, you can see there is a slight decrease on the west side of the Mobile Bay as well as the Mississippi Sound. From 2007 to 2017, however, you can see a dramatic decrease in turbidity in central Mobile Bay. However, the turbidity has increased in the south and southeast section of the bay. These are the results for the average salinity changes for both study periods. So from 2003 to 2007, you can see that the salinity has decreased throughout Mississippi Sound and also on the very far end of the Mobile Bay. From 2007 to 2017, however, you don't really see much of changes in Mississippi Sound, but there is a lot of fluctuation in salinity levels in Mobile Bay, specifically on the north section of the bay, which you can see a slight decrease. And for sea surface temperature from 2003 to 2007, you can see that there is a slight decrease throughout the study period. However, the majority of decrease are occurring in the north section of the Mobile Bay, as well as the central and south section of the Mississippi Sound. And from 2007 to 2017, there is still a very slight decrease in sea surface temperature throughout the study period. However, the most evident decrease can be seen on the north section, on the central section of the Mobile Bay, and there is an increase on the far east of the Mississippi Sound. In conclusion, we were able to evaluate the water quality parameters in Mobile Bay and Mississippi Sound by using NASA Earth observation data. We hope that the project results could actually assist our partners with their future decision-making and wildlife management. And the project results showed location of increase and decreases for salinity, turbidity, and sea surface temperature, which was very useful for our partners. The errors that we had was the low spatial resolution of MODIS data and the low temporal resolution of Landsat data. In addition, this area has a very high cloud coverage, which would have affected our result. And also, we had a low R-square value for some of the salinity products, which could have indicated a low correlation between the satellite sensor data and the in situ data that we had. Any questions?